Hey YouTube, this your boy DIY Trucker Jam. Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy right here, Kenworth. YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker. So what we're gonna do today, I gotta put the shaft back up over there. So right where you see that at right there, that yoke, I gotta go with the shaft back right back up under there. So let's get this together so we can get up out of here and get done with this video. But make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, subscribe, and share this video. We're gonna get out of it. Let's make it happen. Appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching my video. I really appreciate y'all watching my videos. All right, let's get it. Make sure both these yokes straight. Gotta make sure both of the yokes straight going across so they even. It's gonna be a little bit off. A little bit off, not a whole lot. I'm gonna get this one on, then that one. This one will be the first one. All right, so let's get it. What I want to do, raise it up on this stand so I can get some leverage on it. That's it, really. Pick it up. Got that. Slide a little bit so I can get it clear this. Alright, so what we have to do, drag it forward, pick it up on top of this fuel line to hold it. So I get on top of this stand over here that y'all can't see. I need to get on top of this stand. Dolly ain't doing me no good anyway. There you go. That's on that. And turn this way so we can sit up a little bit. Trying to get that in there. Like I said, both the yokes got to match up. What we need to do, spin this. Get the dirt off that. Spin it so we can get it up in here. These right here, these little things, like little barrels or whatever, they got to sit between the notches in here. One guy go in there, one go up in there. So that's gonna be the game plan right now. All right, so what we have to do, slide the stand forward. I know y'all don't see the stand, but I'll show you in a minute. These right here, we got some bolts. So I need to make sure I got them in reach so I can get them up in there. All right, so let's make it happen. Here come the fun part. That's the fun part. You got them both? I think they both in a notch. You want to hold it because you don't want that to fall. I don't want it to fall on my leg anyway. You want to take your time with this. You want to put this here and screw them in by hand. Nope. I think it should hold. It's hold for now. Right. So you want to screw it in by hand so that you know you got it. Don't rush nothing. Screw it in by hand. You know what? I need to get some Teflon for this. Put it in for now. What about that? I don't think that's gonna fall, but I need to put some blue lock thread on that real quick. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take it back off. I need to get some lock thread on these. I got the red, but I don't. That's extra strength because I'm gonna need to take these off. So that's on the back end right here. I'll be right back. I gotta drop this on top of this fuel line for now and get some lock thread real quick. In 1 minute. Let's slide out. Right back at y'all. This is what I needed. So put them up in the thread because I don't want them to back out. This is the blue liquid thread right here. You put on side of nuts. Keep from backing out. That's all. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Most important thing. Not need these screws to back out while you're driving. So pretty much just put just a little bit on it. You don't need a whole lot. It's enough that you know what's in there. Just a little bit. Enough to get it in there. You gotta keep the nuts from backing out, the screws from backing out, because they will back out on you. You ain't doing it right. So if you're gonna do it right the first time, go ahead and just put it on there. And they might be like a couple of hours, bro. Little things like $10 for these little things, but $10 is better than your drive shaft being on the highway, and now you ain't got nothing to do. You gotta call a wrecker to come save you out there. So we gonna do it the right way. First time, get this on here, and that's it. It's gonna be safe. We gotta be safe out here. Definitely gotta be safe out here. We gotta pull a little too much. But I ain't worried about it. As long as we got it on, baby. As long as we got that on, baby. Alright, let's get it. Flip this back up, stick it in the yoke. That's it. Spot. Alright, there we go. Got that. Might be bottom first and stuff. Like I said, get one in my hand. One in my hand real quick. definitely get the job done. I don't want to do the back. I gotta do the back, but I don't want to. I'm not gonna put the blue stuff on the back until I gotta get the let's see if the shop will let me use the gun. I gotta do the seal on the back. So the seal gotta get done. The seal leaking. That's right there, no video. Like part 3, something like that. Get this together. Hope I got my gun down here. It's always good to screw them in by hand. As you do it by hand, you know where you're at with it. Now I find that gun. That's it. Yeah, that's right there. I can get it from here. I'm good. Shit. I ain't gonna be able to get it from here. For the hole, dig in the hole. When you ain't got really that much new shit. Excuse my language, but leave that out. There you go. That's what I need. That's what I don't need. Don't need it falling. All right, so we're gonna turn the gear down to 1. So we ain't gotta be speeding. Get it down to 1. Get it to slow speed. This gun got 2 speeds on it. All right, that's it. We can just hit it slow. I'm not gonna do it hard. So we need. You hit hard. I'm gonna do it in a minute as soon as I get it in there. Yeah, make sure they're both in the notch. You gotta make sure. Look under there to make sure they're in there. Now you wanna turn up on this. Get it with it too. Over it a little bit. Don't go crazy because you don't want to bust the nut. Once you bust it, it's inside the yoke and you can't get it out. You got to place this whole yoke. That's $300. Probably a little more than that, but we're not trying to do that. All right, we good with that. So we good. We safe on this end. And all we got to do now is do the other side. That's it. Get the other side up and see if the shop will let me take that seal. I'm going to show y'all real quick what I'm talking about. I got to bust the seal back here, and I don't want to do that because the last time I had to bust the seal to place the truck, that cost me like $1,700. So I really don't want to do that this time around. So I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, so let's get under the truck, get the video. That's what we talking about right there. You see all that grease right there coming down? I can smell it. It's all on my lines. It's on my airbags. It's on my airbags right there. We're gonna try and get that in the shop. I don't have the machine to take that nut off the yoke, This is the yoke. That is put on by a gun you take the tires off with. So pretty much what I got to do now is get this on, get it in the shop so they can take that nut out, take the yoke off, so I can I got a new yoke, I got a new nut for that. So I got to get that off and get the seal out, replace the seal, and then to clear all this up right here. So hopefully I can get that. I'm trying to get it done now because I'm really getting tired of looking at it, and I can smell it. And if that goes, I already replaced the whole thing, and right now we ain't really trying to get all up in that. So I got it on the stand right here. This is the stand I was talking about right here. I got everything on the stand to hold that. So we gonna go ahead and put that up. That's the end of this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more content. Share this video to anybody that's in the trucking, that like fixing their own truck, that's on the road, they break down. Tell them to go to J Quill. No, tell them to go to DIY Trucker J. DIY Trucker J. And make it happen, man. Show them these videos. We gotta get this together, all right? So let me put this up. And this video about to end. It's part 2 of the shaft jobs. Shaft. All right, so that's it. I'm kidding with y'all. So let me get this up real quick. Oh, man. Get the gun over here and get this up. I'll make sure that's turning like this. Yeah, that's turning. They both turn the same way. Let's get it. Let's figure out how to do this. There you go. Now what you gotta do, push it in, like so. Once you get the slide in there, like I said, make sure you got the notch in it. Make sure you got that notch in there. That's gonna stay. They get a screw in there now. But this for safety measures here, just in case they want to fall on the brother. All right, so like I said, we're not gonna put the blue stuff on here for now, but I still got to back it out. So we're definitely gonna get him in there though. It says screw everything by hand first. Do not use a gun to screw this stuff in here, because you use a gun, you can have a problem. So do it by hand so you don't strip anything, you don't jump anything, everything goes smooth. You want this whole process to go smooth for you. You don't want this process to be a job. So go to the shop real quick and see if they can get this in for me. So what we gonna do? We're gonna hit that on slow mode. See, too fast. Back that down to 1. I'm trying to keep these gloves on. Where's what it is? We can move this real quick. Yep. Like I said, don't tighten it now. Just get it enough where you can get it in there. Share some of this stuff on my TikTok channel. Yeah, I ain't know I got TikTok. Y'all can go to J Quill ATL on TikTok. And got some videos on there. Me just acting a clown. The funny part of me. All right, so we're gonna put these in now, and that's it. That is it. Y'all don't watch your boy do his thing over here on this channel, man. Subscribe to my trucker channel. Subscribe to the channel. You'll do a lot more. I got my 92 pickup truck I got to get back and start doing. That's going to be restored on the channel. And I got other projects. I got to find a video when I change the alternator on the BMW. Y'all can watch that. So a lot of different things we doing over here. A lot of different things we doing. you want to go low gear. You don't want to go high and crazy. Just enough to get it in there. Just enough to get in there. There you. You got to make sure too that they all together. Like this have to be the same way you got this, the same way that need to be. Because if this piece here, this yoke on the shaft is sitting this way, and this yoke is sitting that way, you'll get a nasty wobbling feeling. So it got to be even all the way across. It got to be set the same way all the way across. All right, so now we get it. That. We gotta get that back there. That's it. Are we done with this? Got it done. That's it. And go over there and see if they can get this done today. Get this yoke done. They got a bigger gun too. I just want to make sure we a little tight what it is. Like I said, be careful, because you don't want to snap anything. All right, that's pretty much it. We're gonna end the video here. Like I said, if they allow me to do this today, take that off, then I take it off and do this will be another video. But other than that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. Just make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I know a little crazy right now. I got this hoodie on. I'm under the truck. It is 36 degrees out here. Good weather to fix the truck. Might be cold weather for some people, but when you raised up north and you used to the cold, it's really not that bad. But this is pretty much it. So make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in and on the way out. And if you got anything bad to say, just leave a comment. All right, so it's your boy, we out here. Peace. Thanks for watching.